Hi everyone, I'm Vincent Greenheit.
And I'm Morgan Woltersdorf, and together we host a show on Blueprint called Knit Meets Knot.
In this clip, I demonstrate how to create a magic ring for amigurumi.
Enjoy!
So I'll be showing you my technique on how to create the magic ring, perfect for amigurumi. So what I like to do is I like to put out my index finger, wrap my yarn around, creating an X shape. I put my hook underneath and I grab the other yarn and pull that through. I yarn over with my working yarn, pull that through and pull this tail out because you don't want to worry about the tail. And here you are, you have a circle of sorts, and that's where we're going to be working. It's equivalent to the foundation chain if you were to be working flat. You're going to take your working tail, and for our sake I'm going to be putting 6 single crochet into the ring. So now that we have our 6 single crochets in our ring, this is where the magic comes in. So you can take your tail, you can cinch it, pull that together, and now you have a nice clean circle of single crochets. We're gonna be wanting to increase this, that way we're making it wider and bigger. So we're going from 6 to 12. It is always good to use a stitch marker to know where your round ends. Putting that in there, and then we're gonna be increasing into every single stitch around. All right, so we've just come to the end of our round, so we're gonna take out our stitch marker, do our increase in that same stitch our stitch marker was in. And you're gonna use your tail to cinch up your work, make it a little bit tighter. And as you can see, our little ring is starting to create kind of a flat circle. Now that we've been working flat, I'm gonna show you how to start kind of curving it and creating that new dimension. So to do that, instead of increasing in our stitches, we are gonna just do a full round of single crochet. So again, inserting into our last stitch where our stitch marker was at. So as you saw, we were working flat, but since we just did a whole round of single crochet, we can actually pop this out. It is starting to create kind of a dome shape. So that was one small glimpse of the fun things we'll be doing on this show together.
To see the entire series, go to myblueprint.com and subscribe today.
Get everything you need to create, from classes to patterns to amazing yarn, at myblueprint.com.